Hello and welcome back to See Natural DIY. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this clarifying shampoo made with apple cider vinegar and my black soap. So to begin with this tutorial, I'm going to cut my black soap into cubes, and after cutting it, I'm going to put it in a bowl. And after putting it in my bowl, I'm going to boil hot water and add it to the bowl. And make sure the water is very boiled so that it will kill any bacteria in the water. So after adding it, the hot water, I'm going to keep this and allow it sit, and as well to allow the black soap to dissolve in it. And in a separate bowl, I'm going to take a spoon of honey and mix it with my guar gum. And my guar gum, I'm using 2 grams of guar gum. And also my honey, I'm using 4 grams of honey at this point. So I'm going to mix it, and with the guar gum and honey, the honey will allow the guar gum to mix without clumping. And after mixing it, here is it. So after my soap has dissolved, and I'll start adding the ingredient. At this point, I'm adding my honey to it, my honey mixture. And the next, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. That's 5 grams of apple cider vinegar. And after adding it, I'm going to add my castor oil, 1 spoon of castor oil as well. Then I'm adding my lemon fragrance to this. And also I added my preservative. I used liquid German plus. And at this point, after adding everything together, I'm going to stir to combine it very well to make sure I incorporate all the ingredients I added to it. So guys, at this point, my black soap shampoo, my clarifying black soap shampoo is ready. And the next thing, to in a clean container, sanitized container, I'm going to use a funnel and pour in my clarifying shampoo into it. And that's all for this tutorial. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up. See you in my next video. Bye.